Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marcela and today I want to show you how to clean your mattress and take care of your bed. Our mattress is an investment. It's not only the place where we go to sleep every night, but also the place where we go when we feel sick, when we're tired, or simply when we want to relax. And sometimes I feel that we don't take good care of our mattress. That's why today I want to show you a very simple tips that you can use at home to take good care of your mattress, not only to make sure that you get a good rest every night, but also to prolong its lifetime. And the first thing we're going to do is spread some baking soda. Baking soda will not only help us to clean the mattress more efficiently, but will also help us with the odor. It eliminates odor, so it's a huge help on that side. We are going to use the help of a strainer here, so that way we can spread it in a more uniform way. If you would like to add some essential oils, you can also do that. Remember that essential oils not only will help you with the smell, but will also help you to disinfect. Some of them have a quality of disinfectant, so you can also do that if you would like. And we are going to let it sit for at least 30 minutes. If you can leave it for longer than 30 minutes, that would be great. If not, 30 minutes is the minimum that I would recommend. And after we have waited for at least that amount of time, we are going to vacuum it, making sure that we do all of the crevices and edges and we don't leave any kind of powder left on our mattress. And then I'm going to put the mattress protector. I have this one right here, which has a zipper and it has some kind of like a film, like a plastic film inside, which will help it to seal our mattress. There's this other kind, which is like thicker fitted sheet, which is also good, but I like the other one better for one reason, and that reason is because I can cover and seal my mattress from the outside. Nothing and absolutely nothing will get into it because it will not cover just the top and sides, but also the bottom of the mattress, and that is a huge help. And if you can do this with the help of someone else, I would highly recommend that. As you can see, I'm struggling doing it on my own, but I finally did it. I put the zipper at the bottom and everything is sealed from the outside. And then I'm going to rotate the mattress because we tend to sleep on one side every night, and what we want here is to wear our mattress evenly, so it's not only on just one side. And if you can flip your mattress, that would be great as well. I cannot flip mine because mine is a box spring, so it doesn't have anything underneath. But if you can flip yours, I would highly recommend that. You can do this twice a year along with the rotation of the mattress. And then I'm going to make my bed as I would normally do. I have made 2 videos on how to make your bed, so I'm going to link those down below so you can check them out. And I will put my comforter or duvet. I love using the duvet, like a simple white duvet with a duvet cover. And the reason I like to do this is because it allows me to wash my duvet cover more frequently. I do wash mine every 2 weeks, maybe every 3 weeks, but not longer than that. If you use only your fitted sheet and you don't use a flat sheet and use only your cover or your duvet, then I would recommend that you wash your duvet cover every week. So I put the corners on the top, I shake it so all the duvet cover will spread down, and then I will go down to and pick the corners and put it at the bottom of the duvet cover. I'm going to button it and spread it around so it looks nice and tidy. And then I'm going to vacuum the headboard. If you can see, I'm vacuuming the very top of the headboard. It's because there is where most dust will accumulate. And then I will vacuum, of course, the front and the sides. And as you can see, there's a stain right there. It's because I actually had a stain and I had to clean it up. So it's still a little bit dumped. And I will keep vacuuming the other side. I will recommend to do this as often as you can, probably at least once a week, so dust doesn't accumulate. And also remember that it's not only dust, but it's dust mites and all those kind of things that we do accumulate in our bed. Then I'm going to put the pillowcases, and I like to do it this way. I put it usually on the bed and then I put it in the upright position. I feel that when I do it this way, the pillowcases will get less wrinkled. That's why I do it like this, and then I will give like a last shake and make everything straighten up and put my blanket at the bottom of the bed. And that's it. I really hope you liked this video. And if you have other tips on how to take care of our mattress, please share it with us and comment down below. If you liked it, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with all your friends. And I will see you very soon in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.